Alright, Mike, garage door Mike, innovative door. We did end up fixing the hangs here. Like I said, hangs are so important. They just got to be on the money, otherwise this door is going to roll like caca. You can see we adjusted the hang there, which means we obviously adjusted the other hang. We did bottoms, rollers, and cables, and we are going to come back and do center hangs because I'm going to show you the tracks just twisted up, just completely twisted. So this is a quick part 2 to the video just to show you. And rolls like a dream. Here we go. It's a little kind of squeaky, but that's the Haas 2-inch urethane. They got that rubber gasket in between there, and that's that noise you're hearing. So that's it. Part 2 of the video. Got the door on, showed you what we did. We're going to come back to and adjust the top drywall. You can see that gap up there. The drywall, they drywalled down right to the top section, so we're going to cut that off and get it all done right. We'll be back another day and change the tracks, the bottom tracks, because they are completely rusted. I got a napkin down there to catch the oil, but that's it. That's part 2. Thanks for watching. Part 2, show you what we're going to do, and then part 3 will be us coming back. Innovative door. Drop a like, drop a comment, smash the subscribe button if you're new. We're like 7 people away right now, maybe 6 by the time this video goes live. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Check us out on Facebook, Google Media. Like us, we like you anyways. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video part 2 here. The Haas 900 cable broke. Repair.